gave you. What is this? What is this? It's a book. It's a book. What's that? What's bear? Bear. Wheels. That's right. That's a car. Colors. What color is that? Yellow. What color is that? Oh, there's a truck. There's a truck. What's that? What's that? Boat. There's a wheel. That's right. What's this? Airplane. What's that?
Yes.
Fish. Oh, Finn, what are those? What are they? Shoes. Train. Oh. What's that? What's that? A quack quack. It's a duck. That's right. What's that? Bear. Bear. What's that? Banana. What's that? Cheese. What's that? Ush. Orange. What's that? Apple. Apple. What's that? What's that? Bottle. What's that? Clock. That's right. What are those? Keys. Keys. Yeah. Hat. That's right. The baby's wearing a hat. Oh, that's great. What is that? What's that? A woof woof. Kitty, kitty. That's right. That's right. What's that say? Okay, that says moo. That says, what does this say? Ba. Ba. Roar. What's a monkey say? That's right. What's the bear say?
Boo.
That's right. Bear says roar. What's the chicken say? What's the chicken say? Bok, 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 bok. Elephant. 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 Close enough. Can you say, thank you, Grandma, Grandpa? Can you say, thank you? Look. Can you say, thank you? Thank you, Grandma, Grandpa.